Hi, let's talk about Astra Space. It's a company that operates as a space launch company. Market cap is quite big, 2 billion. Shares are highly illiquid, but basically they are once again raising. Today's volume is 50 million. They had this peak back in February where they had 40 million. By the way, usually there's a 1 million, 2 million. It's a volatile, highly volatile share price, but still, I don't think that there's a illiquid issue in this. Currently, I'm profitable and not forecasted to become profitable over the next 3 years. Snowflake Analyze shows of financial health. Analyze check 5 out of 6, and also less than 3 years of financial data available. Latest share price and events. So we see here that actually they got the IPO back in October, so there's no 1 year market performance, but there's 30 days. It shows minus 46%, but basically this today's 35 is raising a little bit of it, because here's the simple Wall Street does not have today's numbers. Long-term price volatility considered as lowest. Basically that means there's no enough years to calculate the volatility relative to market. By the way, the industry is more volatility than the average market. On the valuation side, simple Wall Street does not have price targets, but tip ranks does. $13, same as the market watch, so that is meaning 16% upside. Future growth for the company is forecasted hugely, 70%, but they have this drop in earnings. Well, yeah, March 31st reported earning minus 1.2 billion. That is pretty huge fall. And earnings per share is forecasted to grow, but it's not forecasted that they would become profitable within 2 years. Past performance, so there's the drop. Last year's earning growth decreased by 2,000%, and as I said, the company is unprofitable. Debt to equity ratio is 31%, so they have a little bit of depth, much less than they had previously, but current situation shows that cash 22 million, debt 10 million, and equity 32 million. If we check out here, simple save dividends, shares are increasing, shares outstanding are increasing, and balance sheet looks mostly green, but there's on the liability side debt 10 million. They are not paying dividends, and insider transactions no volume. Ownership breakdown: general public holding 44%, insiders 22%, VC peer firms 19, private companies almost 10, public companies 3, institutions 0.5. Top shareholders, I think there's influential data basically on this side, because last reporting holding date 14th of July. Yeah, so there's June. I'm not sure about this. Usually fresh companies who've been listing within the year, there's less data on the ownership on the top shareholder side. And Finviz shows that it's highly volatile share price, so this peak could continue to, so we see here the line is showing that it's possible to reach the $14. So I think the price target here, $13, it's pretty much very realistic. So, and after that, I'm not sure about that. So if it turns once again up, there could be bigger drop coming. And yeah, we see like they had this peak 100%, then they moved back minus 50, and then once again back 55, and from there 40 minus 45, and once again 33%. And investing.com summary the stock for long-term investors as a buy. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in a future one.